So hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create sign up form or sign in form in the Power Apps. Okay, so this is the image that we are founded in the Google. Okay, in this way we are creating our sign up form. Okay, so let's we go to the Power App Studio here. Okay, let's we go insert one horizontal container first. Okay. Let's add first plain container. Okay, let's set the X to 20, Y to 20, width parent dot width minus self dot x into 2. This is a place in the center. Okay, so let's we do it for the height as well. Okay, parent dot height minus self dot y into 2. So now you can be see our container sit in the center. Let's we make it 25 25. Let's make the border radius to 16 and the height to the extra box. Okay, you can be see this alignment we are getting here. Let's add one more container here. Container. Let's we add horizontal container first. Let's set the x property to 0, y property to 0. Let's cut it and paste it in this container. We are setting width to parent dot width and height also parent dot height here. Okay. So if you see in this image, okay, we have two columns. Okay, like this one is separate one and this one is separate. Okay. So let's we go for Power Apps. Let's add one two vertical container. Okay, vertical container. Let's select the horizontal container and let's add one more vertical container. Okay. So for container 3 we required more space as compared to the container 4. Okay, so let's we go and make the fill portion to 2. Yeah, now it is correct. Okay, let's we select both the containers. Okay, and make the shadow to the semibone. Okay, so we can distinguish between them. Okay, you can be see here it is present. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, in this container we need to add one vertical image. Okay, so let's we add one image to showcase the logo of our company. Yeah, so it should be stretch. Top padding option is present. Okay, so let's we do the top padding to 30 and let's we select the image and place this to the stretch. Not stretch, we place it to the fit. No, center is okay. Yeah, and we need to give some information about our company. So we give here gap 20 and let's select this input, make it stretch and auto height. Let's turn on this. Okay, for now we are not adding some text, so I just simply adding text. This is dummy data. Okay, let's give the padding to this text input. Okay, bottom padding, right padding need to be 20 20 20 20 and let's select text input and flexible height turn on. Okay, now this is all set. Okay, let's we go to this vertical container. If you see in the image at the top we have one greeting message. Okay, so let's we give one greeting message. Let's add one label. Okay, label. Let's make it auto turn on. Let's make it stretch and let's change the size of this to 16 and font weight to the bold. Okay, and text alignment to the center. Let's give here welcome to Here we will give our company. Okay, welcome to. Yeah. Then let's we add your text input. Okay, let's see the design how it's look like. Okay, there is two text input. We only using email, password, then one text message, and then sign up account. Okay, and for one more. So let's make it center. Let's make width to the stretch, and let's give the padding for this container. Right padding to 40, and this one is also 40. So now it's look correct. Okay, we need to increase the gap. So this gap should increase. Okay, 20 is sufficient for now. Let's change. Let's go to the text input. Change here. Okay, let's add hint text. Okay, if you see in the image, there is one hint text is present. Name. Okay, and icon is also present. So let's add here emoji. Okay, I press window dot. Okay, so after that this icon is showcase here. Okay, so we need emoji. Okay, for let's we select this one, and let's add here email. Okay, we not need the gender, so let's I remove this. Let's press the tab. Let's see the design. Okay, text input height is more. Okay, and the radius also. So let's we increase the height. Height let's set to the 60. Okay, and the radius let's set to the 20. And also we need to give the left padding to the 25 now. Okay, let's see in the play mode how it's look like. Email. Okay, user can put the email here. Okay, let's select, and we have the focus thickness property. Let's we set it to the 2 only. Yeah. Here user will add the email. Okay, then we have the password one. Okay. So let's add one more. Just copy this text input. Copy, and let's paste it here. Okay, let's give it here instead of email. Let's give password. Okay, and text type is okay. Here is only 2 is coming, but okay. So here is the option is present. Okay, in the mode it is single line of text. Let's say convert it to the password. Means if any user type here, okay, like ABC, here is the icon will came here, and you can able to see. Okay, so maximum length of password should not be more than 16 characters. Let's say we put it here. Okay, and let's I change this to the semi bold thing, normal to the semi bold. Let's check in the play mode how it's look like. Okay, if I click on this button, then this should display change the mode. Okay, here is that icon is coming. Okay, but I not understand. On change on select accessible delay output. Let's we make it true. Border thickness let we set to the 1. For this also we need to set it 1. Clear, let's we make it true. Okay, means any user can clear this message. Let's we change the icon. Okay, at the starting we can change the icon. So let's I simply go to hint text. Let's change this icon to the eye. Okay, or lock. This lock is good, sufficient. So let's we check this in the mobile mode. So in the mobile mode, this container 4 is hiding. Okay, let's we go visible property. Let's make it screen. Screen welcome dot size equal to 1. Then this should be false. Okay, so let's we go in the mobile mode. Okay, let's I select this. Okay, we need to change the width as well for this. Yeah? So let's I select both of them, and here is property is present minimum width. So let's I set to the 40 40. Okay, and let's check in the mobile mode. Yeah, it's look correct. At the top, we need to increase some padding. Okay, so let's I select the this container. Okay, let's I go for the top padding. Let's make it 20. So this will look more correct. Now we have the email password. Okay, then we need the one more label. Okay, so let's I add. We need button. Sorry. Okay, let's I add the classic button here. Okay, in the classic button, let's I change the height and make it 20. Let's change the color. Okay, we need the color transparent. Okay, so color dot transparent, we'll use this. Okay, let's select this and let make this color dot black. Okay, let's make the border to the 0, and here also let's we make the color place color dot transparent. Okay, here also let's we need to make change the color dot transparent, this color as well. Let's we make the change. Okay, color dot transparent. So let's check in the play mode. Yeah, whenever I'm hovering on that, the color is becoming transparent. Make it white. Make it white. Let's make the color white. Okay. Our color is, let's make it the color dot black. Yeah, and we need to make button stretch. So this will look like this. Okay, and here we need to write read. So let's I go to the text property. Let's we add the message here. Okay, we are read and agree to terms and conditions. Let's we check for the sign in form. Sign in form. One or two examples we will check there. Let's I go to the image section. So which one we are liking? So let's we go and open image in new tab. Let's we use this option. Okay. Let's I zoom it. Remember me and log out, log in. Okay. For now, let's we give add one more button here. Okay. For now, let's we give here message. Okay. Thank you. Let's insert one button here. Okay. We are adding classic button. Okay. Let's make it center. Increase the width. Okay. It is 160. Let's make it 200. Let's make change the border radius to the 20. Okay, and let's click here log in. Let's check here what is present. Log in, everything is capital, so let's we use capital here. Log in. Let's press the tab. Okay, so our entire form is ready. So let's we check in the mobile. Yeah, our form is ready now. So we need to validate this with the backend. Okay, so let's first we add our list. Okay, so let's say I add, go to the click on the add. Let's type here share point. Click on the share point. Okay, cloud directly. Click on the connect. Let's click on the site. Okay, we need all the list. Okay, so let's we import all the list first. I click on the connect. So we are checking with employee details. Okay, so let's I use here lookup employee details, comma. There is email column is present. Okay, so my employee email. So let's use here employee email equal to. Let's we need to use this one dot text comma. Then we need to check the password. Okay, so we have the password column. Let's I select this. Okay, and copying the name of this input. Okay, dot text. Let's I type something here in the password, and then just I go to here. Okay, select this text. Let's I close it here. Okay, let's we use here is blank. If it is blank, then if it is blank, then notify. We need to notify user check user name and password, and notification type is error. Let's I close the notification and let's give the comma. And if it is correct, then we need to notify success impact. So we put the formula successfully. Let's add here one password. Okay, let's I go to in the edit mode and let's create the password here. Okay, password. Let's click on the save. Let's go to the play mode. Let's check the functionality. Okay, let's I add copy the email. Okay, let's I copy the email. Go to the power apps. Let's paste it here. User password. Login. Let's check if any error is coming. Nothing. Notify. We need to use here notify in the bracket. Log log in successfully. Let's use the type here notification success. Let's close the condition. If condition, and let's check in the play mode. Login successfully. So we created the login page successfully. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day to you.